So here's one of the curveballs when people are looking to build a pool that they're not aware of. I'm going to explain it to you. So when you buy a lot of times there'll be elevations which show us how high we have to build the home. This home, for example, was not in a flood zone, but you'll see if I go up here and down here that the house height is a lot higher than where the seawall is in the back of the property. So the elevation is like this. So one of the things when you're talking with a builder or a pool company, a lot of people say, well, how much is a pool? So let's just use an average number of say $65,000 is a pool with pavers, with your equipment, with a pool cage. One of the things that you have to also factor in if you have a slope from the front to the back of the property is fall protection. And what do I mean by fall protection? So you'll see this lot, in order to get the right type of grade for the water to run when it's raining out to the canal system, we built this pool at this level, which is a little bit lower than the inside level of our home. But if someone was gonna come on this pool deck to the screen and somehow they got pushed, they don't want, our Florida code does not want people to fall through here all the way down to the ground. They could break a leg, crack a neck, who knows, something horrible. So what we end up doing with homes is we build a retaining wall or pickets. So you have two different options right now that we could do with a home. This house has a beautiful view, which we don't want to take away from. So what we ended up doing is building a retaining wall off the back end of the pool deck so that if someone did come off, they would hit here, but at least it's not the full drop. And this is what our Florida code thinks. This is structural. This is built into the ground, tap back into the concrete wall, which holds the pool up there. So this retaining wall is one of the curveballs sometimes when you're dealing with builders and selecting a pool that you need to be aware of so that when they price it, it's priced accordingly. Something like this can range any place between $5,000 to $10,000 or more, depending on what you want to do with that. What we'll end up doing after we built this wall, we put the mulch in, then we'll have some beautiful shrubbery put in here, and we'll also have some a sprinkler system. So it'll be a nice feature to the home, not a takeaway to the home, but you need to be aware of it. The other option that sometimes people do after it is done is they will also build a staircase down to the water area, and this could be maybe a captain's walk or something like that with pavers, and then the boat dock that you could have off of that to have your boat go up and down. So hopefully this makes you aware of some of the things that and some of the curveballs that you may run into if you're building a pool on your home, just to be aware so you make the right decisions and get the right price up front. My name is FredPrice, and I would love you to subscribe to this channel. I made this channel for people that are thinking about building, that are interested in construction, that want to hear an honest opinion about what I should do, some questions to ask my home builder, some things I could look for in new homes. So I think there's a lot of valuable information from the videos I put together. I build in Cape Coral, Southwest Florida. If you're down here, I'd love to earn your business. Please subscribe to my channel and like this page.